I kind of unboxed this thing already, but everything about that video was horrible. I looked horrible, I sounded horrible, everything about it was horrible. So I put everything back in its box exactly how it was. The only thing is, it comes with a USB cable, like an Android charger, and it came in this little box. But during the recording of the last video, I kind of like destroyed it. That is the only thing that is out of place in this box. Other than that, this is a completely genuine 100% unboxing of the special edition Elite controller. Now, I was supposed to get this on my birthday, but the seller was selling us one that was new, and it actually came without one of its fucking analogs, and it had joystick drift. So we got our money back, and then we got a brand new one. Only thing is that they only make Elite controllers in white now, for no reason whatsoever, even though their newest console is black. We're just gonna go white now because we want to, because we're Microsoft, we can do anything we want. I will be doing a review of this controller, like the actual review of the controller itself. I've been playing with it for like the past 7 hours. I've been up a while, but this is just going to be an unboxing video. The review will probably be like a week down the line. It feels, I haven't even opened the thing, it feels like a Beats box. Like, you ever unboxed a pair of Beats? And you're immediately presented with a new carrying case, which you can use for the Elite controller or a regular controller. If you're going to a tournament or something, you could, you know, carry it around. This one is gray with a white, I don't know, I suppose you can call that a grip. The original one has, it's black and black, but, you know, the controller's white, so. Actually, before we unzip this, let's go through the rest of the box. So the box is, like, very, very heavy when you first get it. Underneath this, in fact, it was right here, was the box with the USB cord in it. Like I said, I kind of unboxed this already. As well, in that box was 2 brand new Duracell batteries. Fuck PS4 controllers. And then you got this nice little, this open thing here. And it has the manual for it, the quick start guide. And then it has a 2-week trial for Xbox Game Pass and Xbox Gold, which is very cool. All new Microsoft products nowadays come with this, which is, I think, is great. That is my receipt. And then you got some manuals and your quick start guide on probably how to, like, download the Xbox Accessories app, which you can use to button map all your paddles and everything. The unboxing experience is premium, like spot on premium. Yeah, and instead of having my Beats there, we're going to have controller and the hockey mask. I love the decorations I have around here. Now to get to unzipping the actual controller itself. This is a very premium carrying case, and I actually like it a lot. But you open it up, and the cord is not supposed to be in here, but like I said, I kind of already took the cord out of its box and I couldn't put it anywhere else. Plus, this is where the cord is supposed to go. But you're immediately greeted with the controller. Now, this is not how it looks stock. What happens is, see, I already fucked around with everything, so it's like, when you first open it up, it looks like this. It has all 4 paddles on it, with the original short analog sticks on it, which are magnetized. It's very soft foam in here, like this super, or not foam, fabric. But it has a little foam piece in the middle for a little bit of a cushion. It has 4 spots for your paddles, an extra D-pad, the original D-pad, 2 analog sticks that are the exact same as the stock ones, except they're longer. And then you got these rounded ones, like these concave ones, I suppose you can call them. And of course, this isn't like a scuff controller where the paddles and the D-pad are like built into the controller, so if you try to take one of your paddles off, you're gonna break it and then you have to pay $300 for a new one. Everything's magnetized. Everything has neodymium magnets in it, and they're really fucking tough. I'm going to do a whole video on my new keybinds, because I have new keybinds now for my paddles. I use one of the regular analog sticks, and I use one of the extra long ones, the extra long concave ones. That's probably going to be in the review video next week. It might be in a few days here, I don't know. I'm gonna get a lot of playing time in with it. And then you can just store all your analogs and all the extra stuff that you're not using in here, in your little carrying case. And you got yourself an Elite controller. I probably should save this for the review, but I would like to point out that all the Elite controllers are coated in a rubber coating to make them a lot more grippier. It's all on the faceplate, on the bumpers, the triggers, the sides here, and even the battery cover, as well as the back part right here, and then you got these special grips. But the white controller has a much more sleek feel to it. The black controller had like a very rubbery, like you can feel how rubbery it was, and it felt like if you were holding the controller for too long, you'd probably sweat, and then it'd stick, which is kind of gross. But this one feels really nice. But I don't want to talk any more about this than I already have. I've already probably said too much. But that is the unboxing of the Xbox One Elite controller, the current edition. This is the latest one. Again, they only manufacture it in white now, which is fucking stupid. I still like it. Even though my setup is black and purple, this doesn't go with anything in my setup. I will probably still keep the white case because I don't want to take this thing apart. I've dealt with too many controllers. And that is the unboxing video. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, please be sure to leave a like. And if you are new, subscribe please. It doesn't hurt. I will be doing 2 or 3 new videos on this within the next few days probably. My keybinds, how many paddles I use, what experience I have with the gameplay, and then I'll have a full-on review a week or 2 down the line. Take this Duracell battery and have yourself a nice day.